Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jai Padmajaraj. In this video, I will show you how to make a double Dutch braid. First, I brush my hair backwards and take a partition of my hair from the center. Then I secure my hair on the left with a clip. Then begin braiding the right side of the hair. I take a section from the right side of the crown area and split it into three parts: left, middle and right. Now pull the right section under the middle one and the left section under the right section. Now hold this tight. Grab some strands of the hair from the right and add it to the right section from the bottom. Now I do the same with left. Grab some hair from the left and add it to the right section from the bottom. Now keep repeating this process till nape of the neck. Once I reached the nape, continue the 3-strand braiding till the tip of the hair. Now tie the tip of the hair with rubber band. Pull the hair just to give the braid fuller look. In the same way, braid the left side of the hair. That's it friends. That's all about making double Dutch braid. If you like this video, please share your likes and comments. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel at Jai Padmajaraj for more videos. Thanks for watching.